Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cindy coming at you once again with another YouTube video. This one is gonna be my first makeup tutorial ever. Do you guys want to stick around and see how I accomplish this look right here? Then continue watching. Shout out to the people who are subscribed to my channel and are part of Team Rebs. If you haven't, go ahead, subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell right to it so you know as soon as I upload. Let's get on to today's makeup tutorial. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys at the end. Now we're just gonna grab your moisturizer you like, and ouch, just moisturize your face. So we're gonna get started with our eyes. We're gonna do one dab, like just like that. Then I'm taking my brush and then just spreading this on my eye. I am gonna go in with my Beauty Killer palette and I'm grabbing China White. I'm just pressing that on to the lid, just like so. I'm going to grab Courtney. I'm gonna place this right onto my crease. I'm gonna lift my brow just a little and placing that right into my pocket. And then just going back and forth and blending this out nicely. It's gonna be this color right here. Once we have this color, we're gonna put it right below Courtney. We're gonna take back our original brush, which was in Courtney, and then we're just gonna blend those two together. Not picking up any excess product, I'm just taking the brush that I use and blending. I'm going to grab Flipper. I'm gonna tap off any excess, and I'm placing this right onto my lid. Once we have Flipper onto our eyes, I'm going to grab the same brush, not picking up any excess, and then just blending Flipper into shell. Just so it has that like nice transition, because we're not trying to go for a cut crease. So I'm going to take this color right here. It's just taking a little bit of Divine and just placing this towards the outer corners. I had to take a softer brush, I'm sorry, like it was just that brush was stabbing my eyes just a little too much. All that's left to do is prime our face, so you're gonna grab any primer you like. Right now I'm grabbing the Benefit Professionals. I'm just gonna place this on my nose area. My Giorgio Armani Fluid Masked Primer. And then just prime the rest of my face. And I'm going to put on some foundation. I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Double Wear in Ivory Beige. Once I place this onto my face, I'm going to grab my Expert Face Brush and I'm going to spread this with a bit of setting spray. Shake your setting spray, spritz. And now I'm gonna just start tapping the foundation into my skin. Take our concealer, whichever concealer you want it to be, and just bring this under your eye. Okay. And put a little bit on my nose, some right here. And we're just highlighting the high points. Now I'm going to grab my Shade and Light palette. I'm going to mix the first two top shades together. I place this into my smile lines, because if I don't set my smile lines, you know, that's going to start creasing, and we don't want that. So once we have that set, I'm going to take just a regular Sephora brush, and I'm gonna go into my contour and blush palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna mix these two together. You going on a date and you're trying to lock in that makeup because you're gonna have some sexy time, you're gonna want to make sure your face stays on. I'm going back into my Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna go and mix the first two together. You're gonna want to put this right by your ear. Let's get the dimension back into our face, guys. We're just lightly swirling it onto our face. It's not like we're like, ah, you know? So you have like this nice shadow. Then I like taking my angled brush and just putting bronzer over it. You guys can grab any bronzer you guys would like, but I'm gonna go with this shiny bronzer. This is from Body Shop. Literally, this is super pigmented, and this is in golden bronze. Literally gonna go 1, 2, because this is pretty. Just gonna put this onto my face. Now I'm going to grab Milani blush, and this is in the shade Romantic Rose. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then just bring it towards the front of my face. Okay? You know you lit when you start checking stuff out, like, ooh, girl. Just gonna pop in some liner. Just going. You know you gotta take a moment of silence when you're doing that eyeliner, because, girl, one distraction and it's over. 3 years later, and I'm still doing this liner dough. Have you guys heard of dropping the mic? I'm about to drop this eyeliner dough. Look. I usually don't leave the brows for last, but apparently today I did. So we're just gonna go in with our ABH dip brow. Taking another moment of silence doing these brows, because ya tu sabe, these brows gotta look poppin'. Just gotta remember that they're sister, not twins, or else you'll be there forever. I'm gonna take some ice cold, and we're gonna place that onto the inner corner. This is when I start to highlight my Cupid's bow, and that's when I realize, like, damn, that's a little too much right there. So I just go ahead and get another brush and just start diffusing it. I completely forgot to tell you guys, but the highlight I specifically go on first is Prosecco Pop from the Face Palette from Jaclyn Hill. And cue highlighter on boob. We're gonna add some ice cold on top of it. Then I'm gonna grab ice cold and place that right under the arch of my brow. Next, I grabbed some mascara, and you can clearly tell that my daughter was waking up, so this is why I was looking in the mirror. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of shell and just place that onto the lower lash line.
What are you doing?
Mommy's filming a video.
Video?
Mm-hmm.
Are you makeup?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yes, baby, my makeup.
your makeup. Oh, I like it, makeup.
You like my makeup?
Yeah,
Thank you, baby.
you're welcome.
I love you.
I'm going in the bouncy house.
Yes, baby, we're gonna go play the bouncy house. I want to show you 4 different lips for this look. The first lip color that I'm going to do is Watermelon Soda. So this is in the pink family. This is a beautiful, beautiful, bright, summery pink, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. So I would say go for it if you have this color. But if you guys want something more neutral, more toned down, I do have a nice nude that I can recommend for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this. But for now, I just want to show you guys what it will look like with this lip color. So once again, this is Watermelon Soda. If you are a nude girl, this is the perfect nude, but it still has that nice Valentine's Day look because it has nice of a pinky undertone, and it's beautiful. It's honestly one of my favorite nudes. This is perfect, and it just works together with this. This is a nice soft glam. Once again, this is Corinthian. This was the holiday collection from Jeffree Star that he released last year. Okay, so this is another lip color from Jeffree Star. This is Dream House, and it works perfect with this look as well. I just wanted to show you in case there's a girl who loves pink and loves metallic and doesn't want to do that classic red look. So the last final color I'm going to do is from his holiday collection that he just launched. And of course I got every single color because I'm extra. This is Poinsettia, and I would think this will be perfect for Valentine's Day. And I'm ending this look with that classic red, but this is a classic red with a twist. It's honestly one of the prettiest colors, and I absolutely love. I love with the bottom of my heart, and once this runs out, I'm gonna cry. Legit, because this is so pretty. It's nice metallic-y, and it's just perfect. I had now gave you 4 liquid lip options that, as you can see, go great with this makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more makeup videos, go ahead, comment that down below. Last but not least, that we picked our liquid lip, we're gonna go ahead and we are going to set ourselves with setting spray. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, hit that red button down below. This is part 1 of the 2 makeup videos I'm gonna have this week. My next video is gonna show you how I mess up, but at the end of the day, my makeup still came out popping. So this video is A1 quality, just to make up for my last video. That's why I decided to put this video up first, because this is more basic, but I made sure you guys see the steps in my routine that I usually do. Except for the next video, I didn't do it. I messed up, but my makeup still came out popping that day. It's more of that bold look, so if you guys want to know when that video is going up, go ahead, hit that notification bell, right down to the subscribe button if you haven't already. This is my little girl. She had woken up from her nap in the middle of the video. So if you guys hear a little bit of noise, that's her in the background. And she just went into my black for my Jeffree Star palette.
Oh, you're dropping it. Ah!
Say subscribe to my mommy's channel. Say subscribe to my mommy's channel. Say subscribe.
Okay, so far we have 3 swatches. We have a nice nudie pink, Corinthian. Then we have Watermelon Soda, which is like a bam, like, hi, I'm here, look at my lips. I'm extra, I'm popping. Girl, I know how to do me. I ain't afraid for you to stare at my juicy... I'm cutting that out. Haven't already, come subscribe to my channel and be a part of Team Rebs, because you know what? Because you know what, Team Rebs, we're awesome. We're the best people on here. You know? Because we them boys, hold up. We them boys, hold up. We making noise, hold up.